What's up guys, it's Violet and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a slime review on National Geographic's Putty and Slime Lab, kind of. So before we get on to the video, make sure you click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's just get on with it. So I'm going to start with all of the putties. This kit comes with 8 slimes, but one of them is a make your own, which is this one. And it comes with, when you open it up, it comes with this powder, slime powder, and it also comes with an instructional manual so that when you make it, you can make it the right way. So yeah, so it comes with 3 slimes, 4 putties, and 1 make your own slime, a UV light, and a magnet, which can also do that, the UV light. So let's start with the putty. So first up with the putty, I have a bouncing putty. And this to me, they come in really cute containers. This is an orange slime that's supposed to be really bouncy. This is super stretchy for a putty. It almost feels like a butter slime. Like you can spread it and stuff like a butter slime. But to test if it actually bounces, it said to roll it up into a ball. So that's what I'm doing right now. And bounce. It does indeed bounce. It does bounce. So I think I'll give this, out of 5 stars, I'll give this a 5 because it does bounce, has a really nice texture. It actually feels like a butter slime instead of a putty, which is really nice. So next up, we have a magnetic putty. This is a gray putty and with silver little glitters. And this is a putty. It's more like a putty than the other one. It's very, very stiff but I can't give that an unfair review because it does say on the box putty, so you can't give it an unfair review because it did warn you it's a putty, not a slime. So you can also take your magnet and it does pick it up, so like that. See, the magnet does pick it up. So out of 5 stars, I would give this a 5 because it's a really pretty color, has a pretty nice texture, but I can't give that an unfair review because it does say putty. It says putty. So next up for putty, we have a glow-in-the-dark putty. This is a really nice putty. I actually have played with all of these before, but I'm still giving them a fair review. This is a really nice putty, and you can use the UV light. It's not only in the darkness. So all you do with the UV light is you do this. You hold it over for a few seconds, and it glows. So this is a really cool putty. So it's not only in the dark when it glows. And when you stretch it out, this has a bit of a better texture than the other one, but it is still a putty, so you have to kind of expect that. And I'm going to give this one a 5-star review because it doesn't just glow in the dark, so you can use it whenever. I think this is very cool. So next one is a color changing putty, and this can color change in hot water. And yesterday this was a very dark green, but today it was a very light green yesterday, but today it's a dark green. And this isn't mood changing, it is heat changing. So when you put it under cold water, hot water, when you put it under hot water, it will change color. I haven't tried it yet just because when I tried it, it did not work. But I'm going to give it a 4-star just because when I tried it, it did not work. But I will try it again today. I don't know if it just works in really hot water, so I'll try that again today. Now we're moving on to the slimes. And so first up, it's a fluffy slime. And these come in really nice, just regular containers. This is more rubbery and holdable than the rest of them. Like, they still make good sounds, but this is just a bit more rubbery. Just a tad bit, though. Like, it's still a good slime. I would just call this more of a putty just because it's not the ideal slime. And it does, like, it's kind of jiggly and stuff like that. So I'm going to give this a 4-star review just because it is a bit of a rubbery texture. Next, we have the snotty slime. This is a blue slime. This is like a jiggly slime. I absolutely love jiggly slimes, but this is still like a stretchy jiggly slime, so I wouldn't say it's a horrible slime. I personally love jiggly slimes, but if you're not that type of person, I just think it's fun to kind of like wiggle it around in your hands and play with it like that. But if you're not that type of person, that's totally fine. So last up, we have the liquid slime. This is my personal favorite just because it's so cool and it literally looks like water. Like you could prank someone with this. Like it's so cool. So this is, again, a jiggly slime, but it's unlike a jiggly slime because it's not only a jiggly slime, it actually looks like water. You can see over here, it's more realistic in life, but it seeps out and it's super clear still. And it has really fun sounds, like water sounds. You can't make any poking sounds with it, but it's really cool to like seep out of your hands. I love jiggly slimes and liquid slimes, so I thought this was very cool. It does leave a bit of a watery residue on your hands, but that is expected because there's water in here. But I still think it's very cool, and you can always just go wash your hands, so. I actually don't know how much this kit costed. It was given to me as a gift. Sorry, those were things knocking out of my disc. This was given to me as a gift. I do not know how much it was, but I'm assuming probably around $10, which is really affordable for 8 slimes. So, the only thing I am confused with this slime kit is that it says it's a lab, but you don't actually get to make your own slimes. But this slime I'm going to give a 5 out of 5 because of the cool texture and how pretty the color is. So this slime is just, it just calls it slime. And this comes in an 8-ounce container. I will be doing a video all on this because it might take a little bit longer to make this, but I'm going to decide whether I'm going to do a video on it or just make it at home and do a video of just showing you how it works. So overall, I'm going to give this kit a 5 out of 5 star review because it is so cool, so amazing to play with, and the textures are amazing. I thought the color changing and the glow in the dark and the magnetic and the bouncing putty was just amazing. Like, it's absolutely amazing. It also includes instructional manual and other things. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.